Welcome to the Book MBA community. Prepare for a deep dive into a book that's become a cornerstone for many seeking extraordinary success. Grant Cardone's The 10x Rule. This isn't just about setting bigger goals. It's a complete philosophy on how to approach every aspect of your life and business with a level of action and mindset that's 10 times greater than the average. Get ready for a comprehensive summary that unpacks the principles behind achieving 10x results. The 10x rule centers around a simple yet profound concept. Whatever level of action you think is required to achieve your goals, you need to multiply that by 10. Cardone argues that most people drastically underestimate the effort, energy, and persistence needed to reach significant success. This underestimation leads to setting insufficient goals, taking inadequate action, and ultimately falling short of their potential. The 10x rule isn't about incremental improvement. It's about achieving levels of success that are exponentially greater than what you initially envisioned. The book kicks off by challenging conventional thinking about goals. Cardone argues that most people set goals that are too small and don't truly excite or motivate them. He advocates for setting 10x goals, targets that are 10 times bigger than what you might initially consider reasonable. These audacious goals, he contends, not only inspire greater action but also force you to think creatively and operate outside your comfort zone. By aiming for the extraordinary, you're more likely to achieve significant results, even if you fall short of the initial 10x target. A core component of the 10x rule is the concept of massive action. Cardone emphasizes that setting big goals without taking commensurate action is futile. He distinguishes between different levels of action: no action, retreat, normal action, and massive action. He argues that only massive action, a level of effort that is often perceived as excessive by others, will lead to 10x results. This involves not just working harder, but also working smarter, being more persistent, and seizing every opportunity. The book delves into the importance of responsibility and ownership. Cardone stresses that to achieve 10x success, you must take complete responsibility for everything that happens in your life and business. Blaming external factors or making excuses will only hinder your progress. By owning your outcomes, both successes and failures, you empower yourself to learn, adapt, and take the necessary actions to move forward. The 10x rule also tackles the common obstacles that prevent people from taking massive action, such as fear, doubt, and procrastination. Cardone provides strategies for overcoming these limiting beliefs and developing a mindset of unwavering confidence and determination. He emphasizes the importance of confronting your fears head-on and pushing through discomfort to achieve your goals. Another key principle outlined in the book is the concept of being all in. Cardone argues that half-hearted efforts will yield mediocre results. To achieve 10x success, you need to be fully committed to your goals, dedicating your time, energy, and resources without reservation. This level of commitment sends a powerful message to yourself and the universe about the seriousness of your intentions. The book also addresses the importance of persistence and follow-through. Cardone emphasizes that achieving big goals often requires overcoming numerous obstacles and setbacks. The ability to persevere, to learn from failures, and to continue taking massive action despite challenges is crucial for long-term success. He highlights the importance of consistent follow-up in business and in pursuing any significant objective. The 10x rule extends beyond just individual effort and goal setting. It also applies to how you approach competition and the marketplace. Cardone advocates for dominating your niche and becoming a significant player in your industry. This requires not just being better than the competition, but also being more visible, more persistent, and providing significantly more value. Throughout the book, Cardone's energetic and direct style serves as a constant motivator. He shares personal anecdotes and real-world examples to illustrate the power of the 10x rule in various contexts. His straightforward language and unwavering conviction make the principles accessible and inspiring for anyone looking to elevate their level of achievement. In essence, the 10x rule is a powerful and uncompromising guide to achieving extraordinary success. It's a call to break free from average thinking and average action, to set audacious goals, and to pursue them with a level of effort and commitment that is 10 times greater than what most people consider normal. It's a mindset shift that can transform not just your professional life, but every area where you aspire to achieve more. By embracing the 10x rule, you're not just aiming for success, you're creating a trajectory for exponential growth and achievement. What are your thoughts on the 10x rule? Do you believe that taking massive action is the key to achieving extraordinary results? Share your insights and experiences in the comments below. And if you're ready to amplify your ambition and take your life and business to the next level, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Book MBA for more powerful book summaries and strategies for success. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, it's time to go 10x.